Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today is self-organizing day. Yes, because 2021 already started. We are in the beginning of the new year, but I feel like my life is full of fuss. I spent my whole week scrolling on my bed, watching series, busy on social media. I didn't study at all. I stopped writing. I was not even going to read my books. I think there is hardly anyone more lazy than me. I thought I would start this year productively, but as you know, nothing happens as my plan, so I decided I will organize my life again by not wasting time anymore. My first thing is to do is keep my place clean and tidy. I find it hard to focus on my study or on my work when my table is cluttered. If your study table is immaculate, you will find your productivity rising. My sister gave me this mug on my birthday because I am a huge tea lover and I want it so badly that time. It's too close to my heart, so I put it on my table. It shows my sister's love for me. From this year, I am starting my new journal. I will talk about it later. Before that, let's make something for my punkatipu, means for my stomach, because I am starving right now. My Ma is not at home, so me and my sister shared work among ourselves. In my to-do list, I take cooking responsibility because I love cooking and my sister love eating. I think she is the one for whom I started taking interest on cooking. In lockdown's time, she always came to me, Tanni, let's try this recipe. I'll do everything. You will be just my helper. But when I went to the kitchen, I become the one who cook every recipe and she just does the job of sitting in the chair and ordering me, hey, do that, do this. So that's my lockdown story. Ignore that. Let's talk about our topic. Next thing I wanted to do this year is waking up early at morning. I am not a morning person in winter because I have sinusitis. A little bit cold can make me ill. That's why my mom never allow me to wake up early at morning. But as you know, it's winter time. I don't want to miss the morning view. I want to capture every moment in my eyes. And also, my ma is not at home, so it's a golden opportunity for me to try this. I promise ma I will try my best to not get sick. Next is I'll resume my workout routine. It's been months I have stopped workout, even I didn't do meditation also. Because of that I feel depressed every time. Even I don't have anything to be tested. So I decided I'll start it again. Every day doing something for yourself, it makes me satisfied. Taking small steps every day for yourself is better than doing nothing. As I already told you that this year I am starting my new journal. Every month I love asking myself some questions and I write those answers on my diary. Also, I am going to make a timetable for my month, which all are plans I have this month, and I'll make a to-do list so that every morning when I open my diary, that to-do list will push me to finish those works on time. I'll also make a timetable for my day. It's been months I stopped writing because of that a month has been lost from my diary. What I learned, how I spent my last month, I didn't write anything, so I don't want to be like this anymore. That's why I decided I'll make a timetable so that nothing will miss. I can give my time to each work equally. Today I'm gonna try marigold tea. Did you try this? You can feel the refreshment in your every sip. You can add honey if you want to, but I am okay without it. There are some small steps I'm taking in this year. I know you guys are thinking, those small steps, how can they organize your life? But I wanted to tell you, yes, they are small, but taking these small steps in my life makes me realize that at least I'm doing something for myself. You know, doing something is much better than doing nothing. So, even though they are small, but they can change your life impactfully. How you are organizing your life in 2021, let me know in the comment section. I would love to hear it. Or you can follow me on my my Instagram link is in my description. That's all for today. See you next week. Love you guys. Bye.